Ito na naman, yo! Yung aming boat na sasakyan pag nagsakali o emergency. Ito kami fire drill. Yan, itong aming platform. Okay. Platform. Yun ang floatel na aming tinutulugan. Yan. May gangway kami papunta dito sa platform. Ito naman ang helipad na kung saan kami dinadrop pagbababa. Punta naman tayo dun sa ibang kapaligiran. Dami naming stock na soft drinks. Yan. Say hi.
Hi.
Yan ating safety.
Quail eggs. Brought quail eggs.
Bro.
Smoked pickled quail eggs. Good.
Yeah.
In the jar.
In the jar. You brought? What is this? Egg.
Pickled quail eggs.
Quail egg.
Quail egg.
Okay. Ito ang aming best safety.
Yeah.
Always safety. Safety first.
3 rules.
3 rules.
Nobody screaming, bleeding, or swimming.
That's it.
3
Thank you,
rules.
sir, for your info.
Welcome.
Tayo sa pub shop. Yun. Hotel. Dito na naman. Kabayan.